Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of October 25 through the 31st. Super crazy, but this is a Halloween week. So I'm using this super cute Hocus Pocus kit from Beayoutiful Planning. I just printed off the first kind of page, which is actually two pages, which is a full box page and then a washi strips page. My plan is to use this scalloped washi along the top, and then I'm going to use this skinny green washi along here, and then I'll use the bow washi and the hair, I guess, for the bottom washi, and then I'll just have these little strips all here left over, which I can use in my sidebar. And then I do need one more washi to make this happen, so I do have this black glitter washi from Dollar Tree, which I'm going to be using. So I'm going to lay all of those things down. I'm also going to white out Halloween here because that's not how I'm going to put it in. But I'm going to white out all that stuff and then get going, put down all this stuff, and then be back so we can do the interesting bits. All right, well, that was way more work than I hoped for, but it's looking cute. I did trim all of these so that they are singles. I did leave the scallops as a whole thing though, because I think it looks cute. For the full boxes, obviously that double box kind of should stick together, I think. And I feel like these two go together. And kind of these two go together, which leaves these two as the like odd ones out, I guess. It's a little complicated with the double box there, but let's see what we can do. I'm gonna make this one my quote box just because I really like it. I mean, who doesn't like cake? Okay. I think I'll put this one on Thursday. Actually, I'm trying to decide if I should like reevaluate. Yep, nope, I'm gonna just stick this one on Thursday. Not worth overthinking. Typically, I put the double box on the weekend. I don't know why. This one, it's not even like the two halves are connected. So I could put them literally anywhere. But I'll just stick with tradition. To go along with those, because they're kind of like dark background, I think I should stick these other ones with a dark background over here on Monday and Tuesday. I like that this is like Hocus Pocus but party vibes. I think it's really cute. There we go. And then these I think can kind of just go on either side. Scrippy scraps attached to me. Today I got a lot of Scrippy scraps. I don't know why, but it's fine. All right, there we go. That's the full boxes, and that's super cute. I really like that. Okay, get rid of the last Scrippy scraps there. Perfect. Okay. So next up is the sidebar. I feel like I'm gonna start out actually with this one. Just to kind of like fill in a little space, as it were. Then I'm gonna grab from my leftovers. These guys, they come from, I think, my Planner Life UK. I think. One goes down for brushing Pepper's teeth. And then got the Scrippy scraps like bothering me. I think I'm gonna take the skinny green guy. And put that in. And then I'm going to do a second one. This one, it's going to be for some sort of self-care type something. Not exactly sure what, but I'll figure it out. Then maybe I'll stick in this purple one. Or do I stick a strip of black? Maybe I'll stick a strip of black. So I'm using all the same washies as I use in the main spread in the sidebar. All right, strip of black. There we go. This is like vinyl-y, so it's really hard to cut. It's fine. Then I have this leftover that says meals for a header. I don't know where this came from, but I have it. I'm going to use it. There we go. Sorry, my phone is like going crazy right now. And then I also have this leftover from some mysterious place. That's just like a 7-box checklist. So I'm just going to stick that down like so. I feel like all of these are slightly crooked. There, well, we're going to call that good. Then I'm going to stick down the purple one. I know it's kind of like next to, but I think it's fine. And then I'm going to stick down the scallop guy. And then I'm done with this sheet. So as Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. There's my side part done. I'm not going to use any icons for these guys. I think that's fine for the days. So I thought I would maybe do something a little different for this week for work. And I have these Courses Creations little like flask guys. Let me see if I can find my tweezers. There we go. Beauty 360 tweezers from CVS. So I thought I would use these to mark work because I thought that would be kind of like fun and different. And there are like flasks in here in the art. So that's what I'm going to do. If I can. There's 2. We'll use this guy. All right, and then I'll have a 4th one once we turn the page. I also want to mark. I feel like I could use one of these guys. I don't think that's too bright. I feel like this one might be too bright. Yeah, I'm gonna use one of these. These are from Creative Cavern Studio. This is gonna mark my video. So that is going up. That's gonna be a plan with me for the previous week. I mean, you'll already have seen these if you guys follow my videos regularly. I think Dave is doing an ambulance shift, not totally sure. But the other thing that I want to mark is down here at the bottom. I have the Shine Sticker Studio collection with Craftsmith. I'm gonna just pull a movie marquee out, and I'm gonna stick this down here at the bottom. I'm gonna watch a movie with a couple of friends virtually, so I'm gonna mark it that way. Tuesday and Wednesday. Oh, Tuesday's my dad's birthday, which of course I did not like pull anything because what are dates? So let me see which color might match the best. Maybe this one. It's like reddish orange color. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good match. Do I want to move this guy down? Sure. Okay. So put in my dad's birthday and then work. All right, so that's Tuesday. Wednesday, I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is a My Planner Life UK leftover, by the way. Also on Tuesday. Man, I am a mess today. We have a curling game. These are from Prairie Planner. The blue rocks don't really go at all. I wish you would just do like gray rocks. That would make me so happy. But obviously I don't have control. So I'm just gonna stick the match right here, and then I'm just gonna write underneath it. Wednesday, don't know what's happening. Thursday, I'm gonna mark in work like so. I'm gonna put these away before I lose them. Those of you that can like film a video or like otherwise do planning without putting all your stickers away immediately, I don't know how you do it. Anyway, that's Thursday, and then also Thursday night I have another curling game. So I'm gonna again use one of these match stickers from Prairie Planner. Like so. All right, there we go. Friday, I'm actually taking the day off, and we are going to be doing a quick weekend jaunt to Boston. So I think what I'm gonna do is just pull a couple stickers. These are flight stickers from my shop from about 100 years ago. If anybody is interested in them, just let me know and I can open my shop up for you. I just haven't been doing it lately, but I still have the files, so if you want it, just let me know. But just gonna stick that one in like so, and then also on Friday I have a video going up. I think my plan is going to be that it's kind of like a card video on some of my cards that I've been making, but you'll already know by the time it happens. I have no idea what we're going to do in Boston, so I'm just going to leave the rest of that blank. Saturday, same thing. I have no idea what we're doing in Boston, so I'm going to leave that blank. Sunday, I want to mark Halloween at the top, because, you know, Halloween. So I'm going to use one of these since I'm using Aspen a lot this week. Another Creative Cavern Studio. This one's a little like jack-o'-lantern, so I can mark Halloween that way. And then we're coming home on Sunday morning. I think this one will go actually. I did not like pick these colors based off of, you know, like anything when I made these. It was just what colors I felt like gave a good variety. So just gonna stick that in like so. The rest of Sunday is gonna be for catching up on our lives before we head back to work on Monday morning. Oh, I got a little mark there. Gonna have to cover that up, but that's fine. All right, so this is what my spread looks like before the pen. I think this is super cute and fun and colorful and definitely gets that Halloween but spoopy vibes. So excited about that. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I'll kind of wail. There's a little bit of glittery, but whatever. Anyway, if I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Beayoutiful Planning. I already mentioned I used up everything from that kit. Other things, these two habit trackers came from, where did it come from? Oh, My Planner Life UK. This black glitter comes from Dollar Tree. This is a leftover. I'm not sure where it's from. This one I think is a leftover from Creative Cavern Studio. All these flags are from Creations, Creative Cavern Studio. These are leftover flags, not sure where they're from. This is from a Happy Planner book, and this is from Shine Sticker Studio with Craftsmith at Michael's. My Planner Life UK, another leftover, Creative Cavern Studio, another leftover, Prairie Planner, Creations, leftovers. I think this one's from Plannerology Studio, but I'm not sure about the other one. Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Creations, another leftover, Creative Cavern Studio, Chasing Shells, My Planner Life UK, Prairie Planner. These are from my shop. My shop's basically closed / inactive, but if you ever want anything like these, just let me know and I can throw them up on my Etsy page, and it's quick, easy download for you guys if you are interested in that. Creative Cavern Studio, Hobby Lobby, it's an Agenda 52 book. Sassy Apple Studio, Piper Paper Company, a leftover. Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith at Michael's, leftover. Creative Cavern Studio, Creations, another Agenda 52 at Hobby Lobby. Creative Cavern Studio, another one from my shop. Creative Cavern Studio, Agenda 52 with Hobby Lobby. This is a leftover, I think, from Britannia Nicole, which her shop is gone at this point. And then another leftover. So that's all I really have. I love how it turned out. It's super cute and definitely very Halloween-y and fun, but I like that the colors were a little bit funky, even if they were a little bit challenging to match. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. Let me know what you dressed up as for Halloween. I would love to hear that as well. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.